For our pediatrics class, we were divided into groups, and then each group was given a kid, and we were just told a little bit about the kid, what they're interested in, and then what their deficits are, because that is the focus of the toy, is addressing those deficits. So for our kid, he needs to work on grasp. So immediately we thought of checkers, because you pick the pieces up all the time. That's the main point of the game, is moving them around. But then we needed to add a strengthening component, because he also needs to work on hand strengthening. So we're just going to add Velcro to the board and onto the pieces, so that when he pulls them off, it'll just be a little bit tougher, because kids don't have very much strength in their hands anyway, so it doesn't take much, just to give a little resistance. So the whole reason that I went into occupational therapy was because I just wanted God to use me in a way that would bring purpose and meaning into people's lives. It just gives us an amazing opportunity to just go out there and be the hands and feet of Jesus and just serve some of the kids in Abilene in a way that will work specifically on developing skills that they will use for the rest of their lives.
And their little Minecraft characters on the checkers.
Thank you so much. He's really brought a big smile to his face and mine, and can't thank y'all enough for making something so special for him that's in his interests. He absolutely loves Minecraft, and just seeing how excited and happy he is just with the toy that they've made for him, it makes me ecstatic.
How do you like it?
I love it.